Hey, and welcome to episode 14 of the Paid Insights podcast, where we analyze and deconstruct other companies' ad campaigns so you can learn what to do and what not to do for your business. Hey, before we jump in here, I just want to highlight a company that I use literally every day. It's SEMrush, and it's basically an all-in-one toolbox to do keyword research. You can analyze your competitors' ads and see what they've been doing that's been working well. You can do keyword research. If you're into SEO, you can track your positions. You can look at your competitors' backlinks, your backlinks, stuff like that. But specifically for AdWords and paid traffic, you can get keywords, you can group keywords, you can get negatives and, kind of export all that stuff for your account. Look at prices and competitors. There's too much to list. So what I want you to do is go to paidinsights.com/SEMrush. That's paidinsights.com/SEMrush, and sign up for a free trial, give it a try, and let me know what you think. Hey, and welcome back. Today we are going to be looking at some ads and landing pages for the keyword phrase appointment scheduling software. So let's just jump right in today, and looks like this has a volume of 2,400 searches a month. Pretty expensive, an average cost per click of $27. So it's pretty competitive. But if you think about it, these appointment scheduling, once you're in one, you tend to not switch around as much. So it pays to get you in, and get you hooked the first time. So I'm looking for appointment scheduling software. First ad I see is from Qnomi. I don't know if that's how you say it, Qnomi, but it's appointment scheduling software. Has a weird little dash in their ad. Kind of makes it read weird. It says boost efficiency. So maybe that was just a space limitation or something that they ran into, but it just kind of reads weird. Their URL says appointment scheduling software. It says reduce operation costs, contact us. The call out say mobile interface, boost customer experience, seamless integration, online web interface. So that's actually kind of cool. There's a mobile interface, online web interface. So like seamless integration makes it sound like you can get access to anywhere. It's easy to use. And then next, their site link. First site link says ask for a demo, which is kind of a great secondary call to action there. And then visit management app, about the company, and then all of their software solutions. Maybe they offer other software solutions as well. So overall, not bad. The description literally says reduce operation costs, contact us. So that seems a little weak. Like, I mean, it's speaking to a pain point, I guess, that people might be looking for, but they didn't really use all the space that they could have in there to really kind of sell what they have to offer, and more about the benefits of using their software versus someone else. So I definitely would improve that section, but we'll take a look at the landing page a little bit later and see if that makes sense. The next one is appointment scheduling by DuoServe. So it says rated 5 stars by editors. And then the description says share on PCs, phones, tablets, scheduling software that works on any device. So it looks like that's their kind of hook for DuoServe. It says full desktop software, mobile friendly, not a flimsy web app. So they're really kind of saying that it's easy to use on any device, 1 minute install, highlights live calendars from PC to PC, share calendars live, flexible calendar visualization. It's a tough word. So that's under highlights, which is like a structured snippet. And then there's some site links. It says cloud-based scheduling, desktop software overview, desktop calendar overview. So overall, I like that one. It's similar to the one above, where they really highlight the fact that it's available on any device, and I think that's really important these days. People want to be able to schedule and edit and check calendars, kind of do all that stuff on their phones, at their desk, wherever they are. So I like that they highlight that. Next is mindbodyonline.com appointment scheduling software. So it says salon, spa, and fitness software. So it's scheduling software, obviously, for those types of companies. But it sounds like, I just searched for appointment scheduling software just generally. So while initially here it looks like a good ad, it's a little too specific for my search. But then again, it also would dissuade people from clicking if they're not in those industries. So I could see kind of both sides how that could work. And then by highlighting that, you're actually telling people not to click if they're not a good fit. So the description says 60,000 plus business owners engage clients with MindBody, sign up for a free demo. So great kind of social proof that tons of people are using their software. The structured snippet says services, online scheduling, payment processing, automated tasks, custom tailored app, staff resources, I think it says. So it's great to kind of see all that stuff integrated all in one software is where my mind goes with that. And then the site links say fitness software, yoga and Pilates software, spa software. So they're highlighting their different kind of businesses that they target. Watch a video demo, salon software. And then there's also some price extensions. And on desktop, these have just started to show, and you can only see one at first, and then you click more to see more, but I don't have a screenshot of that. So it's a starter is $75 a month. So it looks like that's their kind of bottom tier pricing. So we'll see maybe if that aligns with their landing page. But overall, it's a great ad. I like the social proof part of it, the all-in-one stuff. So I think they do a good job there. And then last is advancedmd.com. So this one is another one that seems to be targeted to just a specific industry or niche. And it says appointment scheduling software, powerful and easy scheduling. There is a phone number, which is the only one of these ads that includes a phone number. So that's good to see for the people that want to call. And it says billing, scheduling, and reporting make managing your practice easier. So they don't really call out the fact, I'm assuming this is for doctors or health professionals of some kind. They don't really call that out in the ad, except for in the URL. So I think they get a lot of clicks, or I would assume they get a lot of clicks from people who aren't their potential clients, not in their target market. So if I were them, I would kind of do what MindBody does and say appointment scheduling software for doctors. Say that right up front so that you dissuade people who aren't that from clicking, and it'll save you a bunch of money. And it's more important to save money than try to get a higher click-through rate a lot of times. So I think that's one thing people need to be aware of. And so let's jump into, my Alexa just turned on. I should probably turn that off. Let's jump into the first landing page, and we'll take a look at Qnomi. I also want to just have a quick reminder that you can get to the show notes of this episode at paidinsights.com/14, and we'll have a screenshot of the ads and then links to all the landing pages. and as well as any other links I might mention in the episode. So that's paidinsights.com/14. All right, now we're on the Qnami landing page, however you say it. And it says customizable appointment scheduling software. They show someone on a tablet, it looks like. And so kind of highlights that multi-device thing that was highlighted in a few of the ads, and also in there, as they say, mobile interface and online web interface. So kind of aligns with the image there. It says request a demo on the corner, and it says to manage appointments and resources in all branches or stores, multi-channel, for any business size or requirement. So it's interesting because my thinking there goes, it's for larger companies with multiple locations, scheduling maybe for a restaurant or a retail store or something along those lines. But then the bottom line for any business size or requirement almost contradicts that first sentence. So I would, if I were them, I would probably try to refine their messaging to, highlight who they really want to go after. Is it those chains that are 10 stores or more, or is one location okay? Like it doesn't really answer that question right off the bat. But let's keep moving down. And it says improve your appointment managing processes, flexible systems, and manage and schedule appointments in medical centers, educational institutions, government agencies, banks. So right there, it sounds like kind of bigger companies and organizations. So I don't know if any business size really fits that, and who knows, maybe their pricing kind of dissuades some of those smaller companies. Some highlights here say reduce operation costs, which was basically their one line in the description. So that's also something that wouldn't probably be as important for a smaller business. You wouldn't quite be thinking about that when you're looking at scheduling software, as at least as the kind of the first thing you're thinking about. So that kind of lends itself to the larger organizations as well. And then it says scalable from a single point of service to any number of branches, and then rapid deployment of self-service scheduling hosted on our private cloud or on your server. So it's good to see some flexibility there with how it's set up and hosted. And then intuitive smart setup, kind of some nice large features here as we move down. Easy maintenance, mobile interface, allow you scheduling by customers using their mobile phones. So that's kind of cool. Allow people to find the store with the shortest wait time. So I can see that being used for, let's say, a haircut place or a tire change chain or something like that. So that's a good web interface. The next highlight. So kind of aligns with some of the stuff they mentioned earlier. It says contact us. And then it says name, organization, email, phone, which doesn't appear to be required, and then country, and then how can we help you. So I'm not sure. It feels like a lot of information to ask for. I'm not sure if they need country right away, or maybe they can find that out after. I guess it depends on their lead volume, but if I were them, I'd try to reduce that a tiny bit. But maybe they have people stationed in different areas, so that would be a better fit. It's hard to say just from the ad. And then at the bottom, there's some contact info and about the company and some of their other products, digital signage, business process management, stuff like that. So kind of shows that they're a decent sized company and they do a lot of stuff. So cool. Not bad. The The site does let you navigate back to the homepage, but there's not a ton of navigation, and if you click, like, let's say advantages, it takes you down the page. So it's and actually if I look at the URL, it says LP Qnami scheduling, so it's definitely a landing page designed for paid ads. So overall, not bad. I would probably try to refine the headline and scheduling. And I think I've mentioned this before, but it says customizable appointment scheduling software as the big headline, which is great, but it could probably be a little more clear about who it's for. That's all. Let's move on to DuoServe, and it's called ScheduFlow. It says over 12 million appointments booked and counting, which is cool. I like when they use either a real number, so they use like an API or something to like have it be a live number, or use kind of like an odd number. So if it said 12,835,621 or something, it just feels more real. Just that clean number almost feels not fake, but just doesn't feel authentic. So right at the top it says try it free button, and then that's it. Sorry, this is just funny because there's nothing else there, but I think I need to refresh the page. There we go. So it says everything is designed. Our scheduler is designed perfectly, which is kind of a weird headline. You're trying to sell scheduling software, and they talked about, that it has mobile friendly, full desktop, some features for calendars, and works on all devices. But then the first thing they talk about is this designed perfectly, which doesn't really speak to me as the customer. It's like, hey, we are awesome, but what I want to know what you did for me. You know what I mean? So there's a little video you can watch. Maybe you can hear that. So a nice little explainer video they have there. Some kind of social proof. They show different company logos that have used them. Native Windows application. So it looks like it's really designed to be kind of integrated into PC. It says Apple and Android app. 5 stars from editors. Recent reviews. It's funny because they say it's designed perfectly, but it's kind of one of the uglier systems I've seen, to be honest. So it just doesn't feel good to me. Maybe it works great. I might not be the target market, but it's I don't think it looks good. It has some 3 levels of pricing at the bottom based on how many computers and calendars you need. So, and then a bunch of frequently asked questions, a couple more. There's a try it free button at the bottom, which I like to see, kind of drive people to sign up when they reach the bottom of the page. And it looks like the URL says /landing/landing1. So it's definitely a PPC landing page as well. But I mean, the page is designed nice. I just think their screenshots and their app are ugly and look old. And yeah, that's what I think. Let's go to the next one, MindBody. And so this is for those kind of spa and salon businesses. And MindBody takes the work out of business. Easy marketing and easy management from the leader in business management software. So they say get a 20-minute demo, and they ask for your name, email, phone, business name, industry. There's a little screenshot that shows kind of what it looks like. Someone making a payment right there. So kind of highlights that they can do all in one, schedule, take payments, book people. To set your business apart, there's the bar method is kind of, it shows you can be branded, and that is a well-known brand in the industry. So that's kind of a nice little touch there that they kind of slid that in, but didn't make it overly, in your face, to show, I'm guessing, one of their customers. And then it says, with the MindBody Business app, you can view your sales, take payments, and manage your schedule from every location for your clients. Millions of people are already on the MindBody app, where customers can find, book, and pay for services. So that's pretty cool. It's kind of all integrated. Some marketing, run promotions, encourage people to visit more often. So that's actually seems pretty cool. They show the app again. They show MindBody. So looks like you have to get a demo to sign up. So they don't show pricing. I'm sure it's not cheap, but I'm guessing it's worth it. It's all in one. You don't need a bunch of tools, or kind of have to piece things together yourself. Yeah, sure, it works great. And looks like this looks like a landing page as well. Pretty, no navigation. It says questions. They have a phone number. Need support. Click here. But otherwise, they want you to book a demo. And then as you scroll down, that get a 20-minute demo sticks to the top of the page as you scroll. So, that call to action kind of stays static the whole time. One thing though, as you scroll, it's kind of this like white, and the forms it just doesn't feel designed very well, but I just think that piece, they could add like a little border around or something, just to separate it from the rest of the page a tiny bit. But overall, I like the page and some, what they're highlighting. Next is Advanced MD. So this is that one where I said they should really highlight the fact that they're for doctors, or let's keep reading and see what they say. It's definitely a landing page. Nothing, no navigation, a phone number, and a live chat. There's a video, and they're actually asking for your information to watch the video. So I guess it's like a little, not a hands-on demo, but a demo of it. You just need to enter your information, which I'm not a huge fan of. I'd rather see the video, and then, so they use Wistia, and there's a few options you can use when you use Wistia to host and play your videos. And it looks like they're having you enter your information before you watch it, but you can also have people enter their information in the middle or the end. And I think I would rather see that. So get people in and hooked and show them how cool it is, and then ask them to get in touch to, sign up or talk to sales, or get a hands-on demo or something like that. So I'd probably try to change the order of that process. And then it says medical billing software is ground zero for optimizing practice revenue. So as a business owner, that's a great headline. This is the place to start to kind of figure out your revenue, make it better. So billing, scheduling, and financial reporting software that makes managing a practice easier than ever. Love that. Features and add-ons, why advanced billing. And then they go into some other details. So their call to action the whole time is watch the video, and which pops you back up to the top where you have to enter your info to watch the video. So yeah, it says smart scheduling can maximize your clinical efficiency, which makes sense. Centralized, efficient claims, billing management, and billing. Meaningful data to measure your financial performance. So, reports. They do a great job of kind of saying why they're important, HIPAA supported, certified, HIPAA compliant, all that stuff that needs to happen with medical, software and communication. Yeah. So overall, the page works. There's decent information to kind of get me in. I would just switch around the order of the funnel so I can maybe watch half the video and then I put in my information. So it kind of gets, and it would help them too because you get more qualified people. So they clicked, then they watched half the video, and then they entered their information because they thought it was a good fit. Not, I clicked, I enter my information, watch the video, see that it's not really for me, but then you call me, and then I don't know. It's just a lot of wasted time potentially. So my 2 cents there. But I think that wraps up the 4 landing pages for appointment scheduling software.